Hey friends, this month my tip to help improve your home practice is master the technical stand-up. It's a great way to help build core strength, hip mobility, and improve your balance. Begin in staff pose, and then bring one knee up. In this case, my left knee. Now, if I bring my left knee up, I'm going to bring the same side hand up off the floor, also in this case to my left. Going to keep a lot of space now between my right hand and my left foot over there. Going to press down, lean to my right, and step my right foot back into a wide-footed deep squat. From here, I'm going to keep my shoulders higher than my hips with a strong back, stand all the way up. Then I reverse it, deep squat, right hand down inside my right foot, slide my right leg through back to seated. And I'll change sides. And I'll bend my right knee, so my right knee is up, my right hand is up. Press down, step back into that sumo squat. Keep a strong back to stand up. Come back down, left hand, inside left foot. Slide through and have a seat. Or a modification for that, if you don't have enough core strength yet, is to rest your forearm on your thigh. So if my right knee is up, I'll rest my right forearm on my right thigh. Press my left hand down. Again, a lot of space here. Step back. Hips lower than shoulders. Stand up. Come back down. Step through. Last modification, if I can't go into that deep squat, I can bring my knee down instead. So forearm on thigh, opposite foot back buff, bring my knee down into a lunge. Then stand up. Left knee down, so left hand down. Right forearm on thigh, slide it back. One more time, I'll do the full first version. So add these to your home practice. Again, a great way to help build core strength, mobility, and improve your balance.